Vaccinations also happening today at Mission Regional Medical Center. More than a dozen healthcare workers rolled up their sleeves.
Channel 5's Christian von Preissing spoke with a nurse there who was the first to get vaccinated.
Vaccines have arrived here and now administered, about 20 of them today, a test of what's ahead. 1,950 vaccines have arrived at Mission Regional Medical Center, part of the state's first round from the federal government for hospital workers. And the first person here to get the vaccine, Gabby Garibay, an ICU RN nurse who worked through some of the worst of what we saw this year.
It's a relief, but for sure it's not something that we are going to be off the hook yet. You know, it's a relief that we have this vaccine. I trust the science behind it.
We first saw Garibay this July when we went inside Mission Regional at the peak of our COVID spike. At a time when nurses were taking on triple patient loads, 3/4 of the hospital were set aside just for COVID patients.
It's really hard. I get home, we cry, and to come home. It's really hard to see this.
Garibay spoke to us then and worked through it to today. She was scared, she admits, not just for herself, but for her 2 daughters that worked here too.
I was very afraid. I wanted, one of them was a phlebotomist here at that time, and I wanted her to quit. But she's like, Mom, you don't quit. You know, why would I quit? You know, so it was really hard seeing her, because she was the one working at that time here with us, and it was really hard seeing her come.
1 dose at a time, one by one, these workers who have seen it all this year are now getting the immunity they need to continue doing their jobs as vaccinations continue and our hope to eradicate the virus grows. And after today, the plan tomorrow is to expand the number of people who get vaccinated in one day. The goal, about 100 people tomorrow. Christian von Preissing, Channel 5 News.
And 2 more Valley hospitals received their shipments of Pfizer's vaccine today. South Texas Health System's McAllen and Rio Grande Regional Hospital. Vaccinations already happen at South Texas Health System. Rio Grande Regional will begin vaccinating their healthcare workers tomorrow. Both hospitals received 975 doses.